Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, so friends, today I will share some amazing plants for decor ideas. Plants pots are not just for holding plants, they can also become a beautiful decoration for your home and garden. With some paints, fabric, stone, or simple crafts idea, you can make ornamental pots look very stylish. Let's start. First, you can try paint pots. Take clay or plastic pots and paint them with the bright color. You can make strips, polka dots, flower, or even simple geometric design. Paint spots and instant color and charm to your space. Second, try. Take a fresh pots, use tissue paper or print. You can glue them on the pots and cover with varnish. This gives your pots a creative and artistic look. Third, you can make fabric warp pots. Take leftover fabric warp, fit around your pots and tie with the ribbon or rope. This is easy and give a soft, cozy look. Another idea is to decorate pots. Let small stones or paper and glue them on the pot surface. Creative or natural and rustic style, perfect for garden. Next, you can make drop pots. Put drop all around the pot and glue it. These pots look simple, modern, and so friendly. You can also try pots. Use small broken tiles, glass pieces, or plates and stick them on the pot. The colorful design will shine beautifully and sunlight fell on them.